Hurricane Ian was 4 years ago. We're still inspecting Southwest Florida homes where the mold from that storm is just now showing up. Water damage that doesn't dry within 48 hours becomes slow growth mold. You don't see it for years. Then one day, the musty smell starts. Or someone in your family gets new allergy symptoms that won't quit. If your home took water during Ian, Irma, or Milton, and you haven't had a professional inspection, it's worth checking. SWFL Mold Pros.